The Taotronics LED 12-inch ring light with stand. Is it worth purchasing one of these? We'll talk about it in this video. Stay tuned. What's up, guys? My name is Troy Ashmead and welcome back to another episode of iRemobile Tech Review. On this channel, we bring you the latest tech news, views, reviews, and interviews. And today, we are unboxing and reviewing the Taotronics 12-inch LED ring light with stand. So let's see what's in the box. Alright, so this is the box, guys. Here's the brand Taotronics. Let's see what is in here. All right, so first thing that we see as we open this box, we see another box with adjustable tripod stand. Of course, you know we definitely need that if we're gonna use this ring light. We definitely need something to put it on. So, tripod stand. Let's see what it looks like. Right, so wow, it comes in a very handy little bag, carrying bag. It's a handy little carrying bag that we can use to carry around. See that? All right, let's check out this stand. Here we go. Alright, so this is a stand coming straight out of the box. This is what it looks like, and as you can see, it can be adjusted in terms of it can be adjusted, the length can be adjusted. Okay guys, let's carefully examine this tripod. At the top of the tripod right here, you can mount the ring light, and also if you have a camera, you can also mount a camera right here. Right here, we have clips that you can loosen, and by loosening this, we can adjust the legs of the tripod. There you go. We can adjust it to whatever length we want. If you guys are wondering how long this tripod is, this is actually a 61-inch tripod, so this is very long, and it can be used for multiple purposes. Let me pull this out so that you guys can see. Let me just pull it out so you guys can have a better look. There it is, guys. That's the tripod. And as I said earlier, you can mount your cameras up here. You can also mount the ring light as well. You use these to adjust it, and you're able to move it up and down to different angles. You can tighten it up as much as you want, and you can loosen it as much as you want, according to what you want to do with it. Okay, so let's see what else is in the box. So we have some instruction manuals here. Seriously guys, I don't think I'm gonna read any of these, you know. Seriously, I'm not really a manual person, but I'll definitely keep these in case I run into any problems. Just in case I run into any problems, I can probably refer back to these. But seriously, I don't think I'll be reading these. All right. Next thing that's in the box, it's the actual ring light. All right, so here, this is where you screw it on to the tripod. Okay, so on the ring light, we have here a button controller. I don't know if you guys can see it. Button controller where you can power on the ring light, and you can adjust the level. Can you see that? And you can adjust the level of brightness and so on. All right, so guys, I'm going to just set up the ring light on the stand, on the tripod stand, so that you can see. And of course, you can always adjust it to how you want. It can be adjusted. Tighten that. It can be adjusted up and down like that. So say for instance you're doing a video and you want the lighting to be overhead, you can just bring it down. It will give you an overhead lighting in your videos. Alright, so guys, we have 2 more accessories in the box to get done. Alright, so this is a phone clamp. What this does is that it provides an additional holder for another phone. So one phone can go right here, and we can clamp this onto the tripod stand for an additional phone. So what that does is it basically gives you multiple options. Say for instance you're doing a YouTube live and you also want to do an Instagram live and you have both your phones. You can have one clamp to this for YouTube and the other clamp to this for Instagram or any other social media platform that does live, or just an additional option for recording. And the final thing from the box, it's a remote. Let me pull it out for you. Alright, so what this remote does is that you connect it to your phone, whether iPhone or Android. You would connect it via Bluetooth. You connect it via Bluetooth, and as you can see, it supports both Apple and Android. You would connect it via Bluetooth, and what it does, it controls your phone camera. Yeah. Alright, so that's it for everything that's in the box. So now we are going to test our ring light. As you can see, it comes with a USB-A interface. So this is actually able to plug into any phone charger, any tablet charger of your choice, Or if you're on the road, you can also plug it in your power bank. For this test, I'm gonna use my original Samsung charging brick. Okay guys, so it's plugged in now, and as you can see, when it's plugged in, the control, it lights up. On the control, it has a power button, on and off switch. It also has a plus button and a minus button. The plus button brings up the brightness. When you press it, it brings up the brightness, and the minus button brings it down. This button that you see in the middle right here, that's the mode button. What it does, it changes the color temperature of the ring light. Okay, so let's see this in action. There's the power button. Let's test that. Ooh, there it goes. All right. Let's test out the mode button. It can give you like a white light, it can give you a yellow light, it can give you a bluish type light. See that? Yeah. Alright. Alright. So that's the mode button. Let's adjust the brightness. So let's use the minus button first. Can you see it? So the minus button, which is this one right here. See, go down, 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 down. And let me bring it back up. Up. See that? So the plus and the minus, it adjusts the brightness. Maybe I should try to turn the light. Let's try to turn the light. Alright guys, so this is it without the lights. Alright, so power on. There you go. Let me change the mode. There. So that mode, it gives you a yellow type of temperature. That mode, it gives you a type of blue temperature. And that gives you a type of white temperature. So yellow, blue, white. And then we can adjust the brightness. So we're taking it down, taking the brightness down, and we can adjust the brightness by pressing the plus button, bringing the brightness back up. If you make YouTube videos, TikTok videos, or if you stream, this is definitely a must-have. And this is a ring light with a phone attached to it. So guys, this is me without the ring light. And this is me with the ring light. This is me without the ring light. With the ring light, without the ring light. With the ring light, without the ring light. Let's try the different moods. Okay, so that would be a yellow type. That's the blue type. And that's white. Let me adjust the brightness. So I'm going to turn the brightness down. See that? That's all the way down. Let me turn the brightness up. That's all the way up. So you guys, you see the difference that it will have on your videos. Let me know in the comment section what you guys think. This is definitely a keeper for me. So that's it guys. Having a ring light like this is definitely a plus. If you're gonna do TikTok videos, if you're gonna do YouTube, if you're gonna do any form of live streaming, then this definitely is a plus. Please remember to like and share our videos. If you're not a subscriber, please consider subscribing to the channel and join the family. You can also subscribe to our family channel, Keeping Up with the Ashmeads. You can click the link. I think it's gonna be probably over here. You're right about here. Yeah, let's click the link to keeping up with the Ashmeads. Leave your comments down below and we'll see you in the next video. Peace out. Walk good.